Hello guys, this is me and Kanayash. Today I'm gonna show you another game made by AI in Unity. And I used ChatGPT to make this funny game. And it's a prototype. And also the craziest news that I'm collabing with someone. And I will tell its name later when I post. And here, I'll show you with a play. Oh. Here is it Q to dash. And you can do double jumps. And there's also hilarious ledge grabbing. See? And also there is a fart sound. Oh. Here the scripts. It is the most biggest script on my game. I actually use VS Code, which is also known as Visual Code Studio. Since Visual Studio is a bit heavy, I couldn't just deal with it. So I'm dealing with this guy. And now let's show you where you can download the game. itch.io. And here is the mega type. It's only for macOS. I didn't still test the Windows, but due to being heavy, I was super scared. And since the loading took too long, and the hilarious part that I shut down my computer and turned it on again, which is absolutely hilarious. And also it's bug free, but it's a prototype. So that's all. WASD for movement, Q to dash, and wait, I forgot to show you another thing, that you can also slide. Even when there's no slide, you can still just slide with control in your Mac. And oh come on. And also there's a respawn, so don't worry. And you can also sprint. Well, there is a lot of obstacles that I couldn't even expect. So if you wanna play the web version, and also I'm giving you the link. Okay, and well, I'll just keep it for backup since I'm gonna copy another one. Unity Play. Okay. My games. Okay, I have entered my games. Oh, there's two plays. And here is my prototype. Let's wait my internet. Okay guys, I'm back. Well, there is a problem with this game that and if you press ESC, then you couldn't lock your mouse anymore, which is an absolute trouble. I'll fix it later. So the link will stay forever. And here is it. Hilarious, right? Q for dash. Oh no. And so it's everything. And also be sure to see my collab. And also be sure to subscribe. I am actually collabing with Multi-Ahad, who has only 11 subscribers. I'm also a part of his subscribers. He said he had 13, but he actually has 11, and thanks to me it's 12. So if you want to support him, I'm also giving his link. Wait, let's go to YouTube. I'm searching it. Wait, mistakenly is used. Okay, here is it. Multi-Ahad, my school friend. Multi-Ahad. He is an YouTuber. He is only 11. So I'm also giving his link. Wait. Okay. And if you then like this video and subscribe and also get it. Bye.